In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect the BOYA BY-V10 wireless microphone to your phone. Let's get started. So here we have the BOYA, which comes with two main parts, the dongle receiver and the microphone. To begin, take the Type-C dongle and plug it into your smartphone. Make sure your phone supports USB-C audio input. Once connected, you'll notice a blue light blinking on the dongle. That means it's powered on and ready to pair. Next, grab the microphone and press and hold the power button on the side until the mic turns on. When both the dongle and the mic show a solid blue light, it means they're connected successfully. No blinking. Now, open any voice recording app and start speaking. Your mic is now ready to use. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.